Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to show you how to do about the Excel. This one that is about pivot table in here. The first thing we need to highlight on the table. So I will highlight the first row in here. Then I will click about Control A. So they will highlight on the table in here. Here I do again. After you highlight all the table in here, you need to find about pivot table. So we go to insert, we go in this one because the question they ask about the pivot table and the chart in here. So I will click in here. So as you can see, I don't know the name of the new sheet, new worksheet. So I will put about this one first. Later that I will change the name in here. So they will show you about the chart on the right, the table on the left. So because we don't put anything values in here, so the first thing, if we go back, we have the destination state and we need to find the total of shipping weight and the total income invoice amounts in here. So for the first one, I will create about two tables. The first one that is about destination state and the shipping weight. Then we go to destination state and the invoice amount in here. So in this one, I will go in here. So I will go to destination state. I will put this one go in here, and I will go put it on. I will put this one go in here. So they show you about the state in here, and I want to find the total of the shipping weight. So I will put this one go in here. So now they show the answer for you, the table and the chart in here. And in this one, I need to change the name. Now we can go similar for the second one. And we have those first two things. After you got this one, we can go to the average. That is about this one and this one. So I will go in here. And in this one, I will consider about the carrier name and the average shipping cost per pound in here. So in this one, I will find about the carrier name in here. And the next one that is about this one, but they go to the sum. So we need to click on the right, click on the left one on the mouse. So we need to find the value field settings in here, and then we change for the average. So this one they change the value for you in here. This one I use about by carriers. So because they don't show the enough space in here, so I will write about CA. And the next one, we need to consider the comparison about carrier names based on the destination state on the sum of the shipping weight, the sum of invoice amount, and then the average of this one and this one. So we go in here. Now we need to put about the carrier name in here. Then later that we put destination state in here. So they will show you about the carrier name Under the carrier name, we have the destination states. So in this one, we want to find the sum of this one and this one. So they will show you the chart in here. So in this one, you can compare about this one and the second one. This one I change the name. And the last one, we can do the average. We do the same. So this is the technique how to answer all the question in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.